Hello friends and teachers. Today I am going to demonstrate the formation of image using convex lens, which we have it or which is useful in our 10th standard as well as in 11th standard. Okay, of course we have our practical as well from college section. Now let us have a simple way to look at that particular part. So for this I have a screen, I have a lens, the source of light. Okay, so let us proceed with our experiment directly. Teachers and friends, see over here that if suppose I just plant my mobile fixed. Okay, now if you see, if object is at infinity, we are knowing that when object, so already I have marked the position to avoid to save time. I have marked the position, this is f, this is 2f for that particular length, so marking is there on my table to save my time, of course. So directly coming to the point, when object is, now the lens which I have used, the focal length of the lens is 15 centimeter. So 4f means 60 centimeter. Okay, so I am beyond 4f, that means the object is at infinity. So when object is at infinity, we make sure that the image is always formed at the focus. So see, the image is formed at the focus. This is the image which we get it. Now if I bring my setup near, this is the image which you will see. Okay, so this image is basically diminished image, and it is diminished image, and of course we know that it is inverted image. So inverted means what? See, if I take this toothpick, okay, and I put it from the top, it will appears to be in an inverted way. So in this way, see, okay, so it appears to be in inverted way, means that means if I put the toothpick from the upside, it appears to be here, it is coming from down to bottom. So image is inverted image. This is one thing. Now let us have the another way. Now we know that if object is between f and 2f, object is between f and 2f, the nature of image is beyond 2f, and the nature of the image is magnified image. So let us see over here, this is what I have between f and 2f. Now this screen is between f and 2f. Okay, now if screen is between f and 2f, now let us see over here. Okay, so a slight change we need to make it, of course, every time, because it is lens, adjustment has to be there, so we need to take care of that particular part as well. So yes, this is what I get it. Now see, the image is clear, well distinguished and magnified image compared to the size of the torch which I am having. So again, if object is at between f and 2f, the image is beyond 2f, and the nature of image is inverted image. So if see, I put it in this way, now the image appears to be coming from the bottom side. I place it from the top side, and in the image it appears to be from the bottom side. So this indicates that the image is an inverted image. If the object is at 2f, image is also at 2f, we know this part. So let us take now the object, this is what we have. So this distance is of course 2f. I have already marked, so this distance is 2f, and now nearly 2f, of course, and now this is what I have the object. So object is at f and 2f, object is at 2f, image is at 2f. So slight change, see over here, slight disturbance. This is what I get it. Yes, this is the clearest image which you will see over here, and of course the nature of the image is inverted image. As see over here, this is what we do. Okay, so image appears to be from in image it appears to be from bottom to top. Okay, so this is what we have, the clear demonstration for lens and image formation, which we have already learned in our basic standard. Okay, so thank you.